So you want to do a Reams Bible on the command line. Well, it turns out it's actually really easy with this program called DRB, Do a Reams Bible on the command line. Now this program includes a few other texts. I'll kind of go over that, but first I'll show you how to install it. I'm going to link the GitHub in my description, and you can install it. If you're not on Arch, go on there and get the instructions. But if you are on Arch or Artix or whatever, you can just kind of install it with from the AUR, drb-git, and once you install that, you can go ahead and use the program. The command is drb, and you can list all the options with -h, all the options. Kind of, maybe I should zoom in. And from there, we know that if we want to list all the books of the Bible, as well as the other texts included with DRB, we can do -L. Now, it shows us everything, all the books. It also includes Catechism of the Catholic Church, Code of Canon Law, the Code of Canons of Oriental Churches, and the General Instruction of the Roman Missal, or the Germ. So, how do we get a book? How do we get an entire book? Well, pretty easy. If we want to read the book of, say, Genesis, we can again, that's the abbreviation as listed in -L command, drb-L. Let's go there. So that's the entire book. By default, it will use your pager. So I have mine set to NeoVim. And yeah, so we have the entire book. If we want to go to a specific chapter, we can just add the chapter. So chapter 3. If we want to go to a specific verse, I'll just show you the chapter first. I want to go to chapter 3. The entire chapter. We want to go to verse 15. Add colon and then the verse. We have chapter 3, verse 15 of Genesis. I will put enmities between thee and the woman, thy seed and her seed. She shall crush thy head. Thou shalt lie in wait. There you go. And you want to show a range of pages. A range of verses. You can do hyphen, and then so it's 15 hyphen, and the last verse that you want to. I'll do 17. So it shows chapter 3, verse 15 to 17, Genesis. And if you want to show two verses, two different ones that maybe not in a range, you can just do comma and then the verse. 15 and 17. 15, 17. If you want to show a range of books, a range of chapters, you can just do 2 chapters. That shows chapter 3, chapter 5. If you want to search, it's pretty easy. You can just do drb/. Then if you want to show all instances of crucified, just type in quotes crucified. So yeah, so we have first chapter with instances of crucified, the 2 Kings. So if we want to find all of the instances of 2 Kings, we could do 2 Kings. I think it's just 2 KGS and then /crucified. So that shows all the instances. Let's say we wanted to find all the instances of the name Joseph, the Gospel of Matthew. Pretty easy. Just type in the abbreviation or the full name of the book. Then you can type in Joseph. So here we have all the verses with the name Joseph. If we want to find all of the find all of the instances in the chapters, and just simply type in colon and then the chapter 27. Find all of the instances of Joseph in Gospel of Matthew chapter 27. So yeah, that's really it. It's pretty great. Well, you know what? I'm not done yet. I'm going to show you the catechism and other stuff like that. If you want to go to the catechism, or something like this. So we can list them again, and we see that we have the catechism. The abbreviation is CCC, Catechism of the Catholic Church. So we can just do DRB CCC to get the entire catechism. We can do the 846 to get the catechism 846. And yeah, so there is one issue with this that I wanted to point out, and I don't know how much it occurs, but if you go on, I'm just going to pull this up, the USCCB catechism, you can see here that so Catechism of the Catholic Church 845, there is between Catechism of the Catholic Church 845 and 846, there's just the phrase, outside of the church there is no salvation. Okay? Well, that does not. So if we go the range of 845 to 846, that does not occur, right? So it ends with, obviously it ends with, sorry, just making sure here. It ends with the same text. It starts with the same text, but nowhere does that outside of the church there is no salvation occur. I don't know why that's a problem. Probably just a mistake, but I could probably fix it if I wanted to, but that's just an issue that I noticed as of right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this program. I'm gonna link it in my YouTube description. Yeah, that's DRB for you, Dewey Reams Bible.